Discuss real numbers. Question number 3. Prove that the following are irrationals. It has 3 divisions: 1 by root 2, 7 root 5, 6 plus root 2. 1 by root 2, 7 root 5, 6 plus root 2. So let us proceed. So let us do this. Start with the first one, 1 by root 2. So what we do is, let us do it by the contrary method. So now let 1 by root 2 is rational. Let 1 by root 2 is rational. Let us assume. Now you see, 1 by root 2 is equal to a by b. So here a comma b are integers. A comma b are integers and b not equal to 0. A comma b are integers, b not equal to 0. So now let us cross multiply this. So you see here, a root 2 is equal to b. Root 2 is equal to b by a. So root 2 equal to b by a. So b by a is rational. This is irrational. But root 2 is, it is coming rational. It is false. So our wrong assumption. This contradicts the fact that two lines is each sum you need to write. So root 2 equal to b by a, it is rational. And so therefore root 2 is a rational. It is coming like this. So that is, root 2 is a rational. It is coming like this. Root 2 is a rational. But this contradicts the fact. This statement, same statement you have to write for each type of proof type of sum. But this contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational. Root 2 is irrational. Therefore, 1 by root 2 is what? 1 by root 2 is irrational. 1 by root 2 is irrational. So now we'll go to the second one. Second one, same thing. Let 7 root 5. Let 7 root 5, let us assume 7 root 5 is rational. 7 root 5 is rational. So now you see, 7 root 5 is equal to a by b. 7 root 5 equal to a by b. Root 5 equal to a by 7b. Root 5 equal to a by 7b. Now you see here, this is rational. It is coming like root 5 is rational. So that is, root 5 is rational. A by 7b is rational. Root 5 is rational. Same thing. But this contradicts the fact. So but this contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. Contradicts the fact root 5 is irrational. Contradicts the fact root 5 is irrational. So 7 root 5 is irrational. 7 root 5 is irrational. So the third one, same way we'll write 6 plus root 2, no. So now let us assume 6 plus root 2 is rational. Rational. See here, 6 plus root 2 equal to a by b. So here a comma b are integers. Integers. And b not equal to 0. B not equal to 0. See, root 2 equal to a by b minus 6. Which is equal to b is common, a minus 6b. A minus 6b. It is root 2. A minus 6b by b. This is rational. So that is, root 2 is rational. Root 2 is rational. Same thing here, this statement you can write. But this contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational. But because each sum you need to write this statement like this, but this contradicts the fact that root 2 is what? But root 2 is irrational. Therefore, what is that given? 6 plus root 2. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is irrational. 6 plus root 2 is irrational. So that you write, hence proved. All the best. Thank you.